Come. You hear Chucky? Quack, 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 quack.
Hey everybody, this is Dawn, and we have Jessie.
Hi.
Oops, there's Jessie.
Hi.
And then we have the next generation.
Ayden. Say hi. Ayden, say hi to the camera.
SouthPaw Bushcraft, the next generation. Ayden.
Ayden, say hi.
Hi, buddy. That's Jessie's nephew and my great nephew. Then we have my sister. Say hi, Deb.
Hi.
And we're out here today because Jessie wanted to take Ayden out on his first outdoor adventure. So we're at a wildlife sanctuary and we came out to watch the ducks and the geese and see if there's any babies. Uh-oh, I just got Jessie. Hi, Mama Goose. Honk, honk. It's a male mallard. So I'm right here showing Jessie that this is where a goose nested. All the feathers where they made the nest and they had the babies there. Or laid the eggs and nested there. You can see how it's dug out and hollowed around and all the feathers there. Right, Jess?
Yep.
And now we just saw out in the pond there, there's babies. So we're going to go down and see them. And that island right here is another nesting area. We got some geese coming up to see Ayden here.
Say hi.
Take him out once, Deb.
Oh, yeah.
They won't hurt him.
That's what you say.
Just guard his eyeballs.
I think we'll stay in the wagon. I think they think we have corn.
Yes, they do think you have corn. We'll go get some corn so he can feed them. Hi, Mama Goose. Jessie, here's the babies. There's the babies we were looking for. Look how fast they're swimming already. Oh, one broke away from the crowd. There. These geese and ducks are not afraid of humans. This is another one of my places I like to come, and I've been bringing Jessie here since she was a baby. Hey now, no fighting. How's the little man doing here? Hey, buddy. Are you having fun? Yeah? Fun? Should we go get some corn and feed the duckies?
Jessie, give me some.
You gonna feed the goosey? Here. See. Here. Take some. There you go. Here, give it to the goosey. Here, take some. Can you give it to the goosey? Good boy. Here. You going to give some to the goosey? Good boy. You like that? So funny. It doesn't seem that long ago I was doing this with Jessie. And now I'm doing it with her nephew. And what's Jessie doing?
Woo!
About animals and about respect and how to feed them.
No. That one is getting a little too close to you, isn't it?
I think it's okay. Hi, buddy. Here's a nesting island. Well, I think we're about to wrap things up here. Jessie and I have enjoyed our time out here, grooming the next generation. He's not even a year and a half old yet, and he held his attention span pretty good, didn't he, Jess?
Yes.
Considering. And he's obsessed with playing with my phone. He even shot some video, which I'll include. A very short blip of it. But, so it was a family event today. Got my sister here, Jessie's mom, and Ayden.
But she's trying to pull his leg and crazy.
So, anyway, we're gonna get ready to head out. Say bye, Deb.
Bye. Say bye, Ayden.
Say bye. Say bye-bye. Ayden, say bye-bye. I love what this sign says, so I just wanted to end the video with this. The web of life trail. All living things are interconnected like the threads of a spider web. Thanks for watching, everyone.